Princess Charming, written by Zibby Owens, illustrated by Holly Hatam, and read aloud by Dietrich Sarsweb. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Being a princess isn't always easy. Everyone expects me to be perfect. Most days I don't feel perfect at all. I try my best and I just can't seem to find my thing. And believe me, I've tried. First, there were the many attempts at the perfect cartwheel. Those never ended well. Cooking, how hard could it be to frost a cake? At least Luna liked it. Don't even get me started on hip-hop. That was a disaster, but one thing about me is that I never give up, even when I probably should. My mom always tells me, "Don't worry, Princess Charming, one day you'll find your thing." My brother thinks I'm hopeless. But enough about me. There's a huge party tonight at the castle. A glorious movie star is coming. Stella Sparkle. I've seen her every single one of her movies. She's visiting us for the very first time, and if all goes well, she'll make her next movie in our place. But there will be a role for me. Everyone is so excited, especially me. Even Luna is excited. Actually, she looks too excited. Uh-oh, she's running towards Stella. Fast, Luna, no! She runs, she jumps. Uh-oh. Oh no, Stella Sparkle cries. I lost my earring, it's gone. I'll help you find it, I say. This I can do. Everyone gets to work looking for the lost earring. It starts to feel hopeless. One by one, everybody gives up, except for me. I can tell Stella Sparkle is getting ready to leave. I'm the only one still looking. Just then, I peek under the curtain. What's that? A shimmer? A sparkle? Could it be? The earring! I found it! I race over to Stella Sparkle, who lights up when she sees it. She tells me the earring belonged to her grandmother, who she loved very much. The earring really meant something to her. Thank you, Princess Charming. There will definitely be a part for you in my movie. When my mom put me to bed that night, she says she's proud of me. You saved the day, Princess Charming. As I drift off to sleep, I realize I do have a thing. Maybe it's that I never give up. I just keep trying. After all, I made sure my brother didn't give up. You're welcome, Cinderella. The end. Hope you enjoy this story. Bye. See you next time.